Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a clean and declutter with me video. My focus today is going to be on the living room. I try to do this type of cleaning at least once a month, and if you're interested to know what kind of cleaning routine I have, I'll go ahead and put the link down below in the description box so you guys can go check it out if you like. And if you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Lisa and this is the JayLi Life, and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay guys, so this is the living room. This is the mess that we are dealing with today. We're going to be cleaning, decluttering, dusting. So first thing I like to do is remove my curtains. I wash my curtains every 3 months. Just make sure to check the care instructions on your curtains. For some, it may be dry cleaned and some can be machine washable on a gentle cycle. Okay guys, so I hope this video motivates you to do some deep cleaning around your home, or you can come along and join me as I clean my living room.
It is raining outside and we're still in bed. We don't wanna wake up yet. We're running away, and we can't stay in our beds all day, 'cause we both deserve it all. Maybe we can sleep in and skip work today. Then I'll make you scrambled eggs. We got no plans for the day. Let's stay inside and play video games. No, 'cause we both deserve this time. All work, no play. It's like we're running away. Deserve it all. Deserve it all. Never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing paper. pavement on my own. 'Cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own. 'Cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm just fine